So I haven't done an update in a while, guys. So I want to take you guys out, show you guys the coop, give you guys a quick update, and show you how many eggs I'm grabbing today. So come on, walk with me. So we've been having a lot of predators out lately. They've been deforesting kind of the area, so they've been chopping down all the lumber. I don't know if you can hear them in the background. So we've been moving them around in this. And then let's check our egg haul real quick. What's up, Lucille, baby? How you doing, mama? Let's see what we got. So you can see, we got the sun, boom, packed, boom, eggs, eggs. Let's fill it up. Perfect dozen, guys. Perfect dozen. Let's go.